to get yourself a Nikon DSLR camera. However, you're not quite sure how to change your lens and you want to switch to a different size lens. On this video, I'm going to show you how to change a DSLR lens on a Nikon camera. If you're new to my channel, please be sure to hit the notification bell so you can catch my next video. Nikon released its F-mounts in June of 1959, which gives you a great selection of lenses from vintage to new as well. The advantages of the Digital Single Lens Reflex camera is the ability to use a variety of lenses. The Nikon camera uses bayonet style F-mount AF type lenses, which you can find at different price ranges, and a variety of prime lenses as well as different zoom lenses. Anytime you want to install or remove a lens on the DSLR camera, you want to ensure your power is in the off position. As well as if you have a VR lens, make sure that the VR is turned off. This will make sure that your image sensor does not give off static electricity, which could attract dust to the inside of your camera. You should always try to make sure you're in a dust-free environment. If you're outside, you should try to block yourself from wind and rain. The last thing you want to do is when you get ready to take a great picture is to have little black smudges or dust, which you should be able to see through your viewfinder if you point it towards a white wall. And preferably when you change your lenses, you want to try to hold them on the side. Try not to touch any of the pins or other elements within the lens themselves because they could get damaged or scratched easily. When you're ready to install your lens, you want to make sure you line up the mounting index white dots on the camera as well as on the lens. You join and turn counterclockwise until you hear a click. Now, if you're ready to change your lens, you just have to reverse the process. All you have to do is hold the lens release button and turn the lens clockwise and disconnect it from the camera. And you can install your other lens. With some lenses, you will have a zoom ring that has a lock on it, such as this one. Once you get ready to take a picture, you may get a message that tells you have to rotate the zoom ring. So all you will need to do is press the button on the side and rotate the zoom ring until it extends all the way out. Then you can adjust your lens and take your picture. Once you're done with the zoom, the lens may be locked and you have to push the button on top as well to bring it back in. If you enjoyed this video on how to change a DSLR lens on a Nikon camera, please be sure to leave me some likes and some comments and let me know what you'd like to hear more about on some of my future videos.